Okay, let's talk about something that's more important than every single skill set, every different workflow, every different software. A list of every good lead in your neighborhood and in your backyard and in your city as a real estate agent. The one thing that is more important above all else, if I were to write a book, this would be chapter 1, which is your mindset. And your guys' mindset sucks. You are watching these videos because you are not making the money that you want to make. That is a direct correlation to not only your work ethic, but the way that you are viewing the world and what you think you are deserving of and what you should actually be getting. Number 1, you don't get what you think, you get what you deserve. That's it. And you deserve what you earn. It's output, input, input, output. That's it. So if you guys say, well, I'm busy, Anthony, I'm working, but like the market, the interest rates and the administration and my broker and the buyer, and no, dude, it's you. Let me ask you a question. How consistent are you with your work schedule? How consistent are you with calling? How many open houses did you hold in the last month? When's the last time you reviewed your goals? When's the last time you audited your business? When's the last time you took your top 5 clients out to dinner? When's the last time you took your top 5 referral partners out for lunch? When's the last time you sent your sphere of influence that sent you a referral something? When's the last time you posted on social media? And did you just post a story? When's the last time you actually posted, sat down like I'm doing right now, have all my content scripted, written? I know exactly what I'm gonna talk about. I've studied it on my AI workflows to know what you guys would wanna see so that I can give you better content. When's the last time you drove yourself to a freaking point of exhaustion beyond belief like I have the last month because I've been working 12 to 14 hours a day, 7 days a week for 3 weeks straight? When's the last time you did that? What time do you wake up in the morning? Do you let your emotions get the best of you? Let me tell you something, guys. You're in full control. You are the problem. You are the solution. It doesn't matter. I came here in Miami and made less money in the greatest market of all time. Hold on. 2021, I'm a year into the business in Miami. I'm probably like 4 years into my total career because I started in Michigan. I came here. I made more money last year in one of the most difficult markets than I did in 2021 in the best market. What changed? My habits. That's it. Nothing else. It got worse, but I got better. How does that make any sense? That's it. It's very simple, black and white. Number 1 thing I would audit. What the hell do you do all day? What do you watch? What content are you consuming? Are you staying ahead of the curve? Are you studying AI and how it could be useful to you in your business? Are you automating everything that you possibly can in your life? Are you hanging out with the right friend group, or are your friends the type that can't wait for Friday at 5 o'clock to go grab a beer and go to a fucking Tigers game? Do you watch sports games every day? I don't. I watch the Super Bowl. I watch Olympic gold medal hockey. That's what I watch. So every 4 years I'll watch, and FIFA. I'll watch the FIFA World Cup too. But sitting here like a bot, like an NPC watching sports every day, no offense. You don't know the players. They don't know you. You don't know the manager. You have no money on the game. And if you do, it's $100. It's minuscule. It's stupid. Oh, but Nucci, I've turned 100 into 500 before. I've turned 1,000 into 10,000. Okay? We still don't have money. Again, I'm not trying to, be an asshole. I'm just trying to tell you guys what the reality is. You can like it or not. I'm just going to be the most raw, real, authentic uncle, brother, broker, mentor to you. You need to wake the hell up. Like, all the buyers you think you have right now, you got a lot of motion, you think you're busy. 3 of those people could fall off the face of the earth tomorrow and you're going to feel like you got nothing in your pocket. My measurement is I have so much going on at all times, I don't know who's who and how many deals I got going unless I go back to my CRM. That's my problem. You don't have that. So if I were to give you some advice, I would say, let's sit down and really just stop for 1 second. Who do I need to talk to every day to make sure my business is the most successful? Who do I need to hang around? Should I be a part of Nucci's community so I can be around a community of winners? Should I be around that guy that skips lunch or that eats lunch at his desk? Or should I go out to lunch and do matchas and fucking Chipotle with my 3 friends who sell 3 houses a year? Because it's fun. You want fun? Fun until January 1st comes, or until the 1st of the month comes, and Rent and Chase and American Express and Visa and MasterCard come knocking. It's fun until then, isn't it? I don't have that problem. I haven't had that problem in years because I was sick and tired of doing what you guys were doing. I was there. I'd lay in bed in the middle of the day. I'd kick my feet up on the couch in the middle of the day and just be hopeless and blame and play victim and, oh my God, poor me. Why me, man? I'm trying so hard. Unfortunately, the one thing our parents didn't tell us, or whoever raised you, not how it works. And I'm here to tell you right now, I want what's best for you. I want what's better for you. I know what you guys are capable of. No, real estate agents are not just you go get your license and you make a bunch of money, dude. There's 300,000 people in Miami that are real estate agents, or just about, that I have to compete with every single day. And about 100 of them are really, really good. About 100. Do you think the other 298,000 people or 299,900 people aren't trying to make money? You think those people don't want to make $1 million a year? Everyone around me wants to make the money that I make, but they don't work the way I work. And I have more systems systems, more employees, more stress. I have a baby. I'm on the verge of getting married. Like, I have way more going on than anybody could possibly imagine. Yet I still get every single thing that needs to get done. That's my video for you guys. I could talk about this all day long, but actions need to match your goals. That's it. Very simple. Everything else is fluff. It's BS. It doesn't matter. The content you're watching, if it's drama and Lover's Island or Love Island or whatever the stupid bullshit is that people watch nowadays. No, you need to watch me. You need to watch Grant Cardone. You need to watch, like Hermosi, the people that are actually making moves. Watch people that are at different stages. I'm Grant Cardone and Hermosi just 5 or 20, 30 years ago in my own way. Okay, so find somebody that you relate to, that you like, online and in real life, and go be around that person as much as you can until you absorb and adapt their mindset, and then protect the mindset at all costs. That's all I have for this video. No call to action, no nothing else. I'm just telling you to save yourself. Watch this, listen to it. The title of this video can be Your Mindset Sucks. Yeah, that's really all I have for you guys. And honestly, if you guys have a question, like seriously, if you have a question and you're like, hey man, what do you think about this? Like, and it's not a stupid question, you really actually want my opinion on it, put it in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, message me on Instagram. I'll look at it. Don't send me a paragraph. Send me a little something quick, easy. I'll read it. Anyways, love you guys. I appreciate you. Watch us, save it, watch it again. Watch it in the morning on the way to work. I don't care. Do it. Change your mindset. Change the people you're around. Change your actions. Change your habits. Change your income. Change your life.